Today we will talk about Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream. Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream is infused with safe bleaching ingredients. These ingredients prohibit the production of melanin, caused by the sun exposure, smoking, or other things. If your lips are dark from birth, it is also effective to lighten them. Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream is a great invader for the sun, wind, cold weather, dry air, or other harsh environmental components that may cause your lips harmed. It defends your lips from them, and gradually builds up healthy, supple, and plumper lips. What does it actually do? But before we start, please take a moment and click subscribe for awesome tip and tricks. Fades off melanin pigmentation, inhibits the production of melanin, nourishes and moisturizes dry chapped lips, long-lasting hydration and nourishment, looking healthy fuller lips, repairs damaged lips from sluggish elements, creates an antioxidant protective layer. How to use Lipsense Lip Lightening Cream. You can apply makeup, lipstick, gloss or balm after applying the Lipsense. Use this cream 2 times a day. If your lips are dry, or have flaky skin cells, then you can exfoliate your lips with some lemon juice, or a mixture of some honey and sugar. Then use this cream. It will fasten the work. You can buy this product online, you will find the link in description below. Now smile with your beautiful lips, and hit subscribe.